Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Mercedes and today I have another video. As y'all read by the title, I'm doing my watch collection, y'all. I have so many pretty watches that I had never shown y'all. Like, this video is long overdue. I know I don't like a long intro, like don't nobody got time for that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first watch I want to show is this watch right here. Y'all see it? It's just gold, dainty, however you say it. Very pretty. I actually got this from my grandmother when she died. This is like my lucky charm. Like, I'll wear this way before I wear any of these other watches. I want to show y'all this watch. I wear it all the time. Funny thing is, this is quartz. So I think you can get this at Walmart. And it stretches, so you can literally just take it off, put it back on, and like I said, it's very cute, very dainty. This is my special watch. Let's start with gold watches, and the first one I want to show y'all is this Invictor watch. I believe my mother got this for me when we was on a cruise a while back, and as y'all see, it has cute little flowers inside. Yeah, so it has cute little diamonds inside. I'm not sure how many carats it is, so don't come for me. I'm gonna try it on so I can see how it looks on my wrist. And just snap it on the back. And on the back it says Invictor. Got this watch back in 2019, 2020. Not 100% sure. Y'all, my memory is not that good. Like, I do a lot of shopping. I get a lot of gifts. So it's kind of hard to go back to when I got something because, yeah, your girl does a lot of shopping. So my next gold watch is this Micheal Kors watch. I actually kept the box. I'm not good with keeping boxes. So this is the watch. This is a square face. The other one was a circle as well. This is a Micheal Kors watch, and inside the face of it, it has 3 other little small clocks. See, on the side, it has just little crystals surrounding it. So it's very cute. This watch is actually too big for my wrist. I gotta get some links taken out. This one's pretty simple. You just snap it on the back. As y'all see, this watch is really big on me. I haven't worn it in a long time. I definitely gotta get some links out. You can either take it to like a jewelry repair store, or if you know how to do it yourself, you could do that. Now I'm gonna move on to rose gold. I only have one, so this should be quick. So for my third watch, this is another Micheal Kors, and this is one of my favorite watches, y'all. My favorite color is pink, so anything that's rose gold is like, I love it, like, instantly. So this is super cute, and in this watch, it has the same 3 clocks, but this one is a circle versus a square shape. This one's a little bit loose, but not as bad as the other one. I still wear this. So I really need to take some time out to go to the watch repair, but the jewelry repair, well, I keep saying watch repair. I need to take time out to go to the jewelry repair store. I need to start buying things that just fit instead of getting them altered. And I seen a video on that on TikTok. A lady was basically saying, like, treat your clothes how you treat your man. This is off topic. But if you got a pair of jeans that don't fit, what you do? You go to the store, return it, and get another pair. And search until you find a pair that fits. You do the same with a man, okay? If that man don't fit, bring his ass back to where he came from, and you go find you somebody that fits what you need. And better yet, you don't gonna find nobody. You focus on yourself, and what you need will come to you. So that's just my little advice, but let's get back into the video. I have a lot of Micheal Kors watches, so don't judge, but Micheal Kors know what they doing with their jewelry. Their purses is a little, they okay. I don't have no problem with I'm not one of those girls, but every time another designer comes out with something, it's like they make their own version of it. It's giving bootleg. Like, have your own style, design, and keep it pushing. I ain't got to copy off of the next person. So my next watch is from Micheal Kors as well, and this is a circle face. So I'm not sure if the bezel around around the watch is diamonds or crystals. I'm gonna assume it's crystals, but super cute. I think all of Micheal Kors watches has 3 watches in the face. There's 3 crowns, so you got 1, 2, 3. And this is silver, of course. So I'm going to try it on so I can see how this one looks on my hand. All of my watches, like, most of them need a link taken out. Like, I actually got this a couple months ago. So cute. As y'all see, this one doesn't have multiple clocks in the face. It just has the dial and it only has one crown. So this one goes on different. So you bring one side in, then you bring in another, and then there you go. This one is loose as well. Most of these watches gonna be loose. I know y'all like, what this bitch got going on? My weight fluctuates like Rihanna. 1 month I'm thick, 1 month I'm skinny, 1 month like it changes. It changes. So this is like one of my top 3. My next silver watch is this Micheal Kors. The bezel doesn't have any crystals or diamonds. It's just plain. And just like the other Micheal Kors watches, it has 3 clocks in it and 3 dials. Micheal Kors definitely has a style with their watches, but let's try this one on. I'm about to stop trying these on. So last but not least for my silver watches is my silver Rolex. Y'all, I love this watch. Like, love this watch. It gives that girl, okay? Like, and it's not too flashy, but anybody who looks at it, they could tell it's a Rolex if they know what Rolexes are. On, you're just gonna go right here, snap it, and here we go. As y'all see, it has the crown. Y'all, this one is loose too, okay? They're all loose. I need to get a link taken out. So it has a crown right here. So when you look at the watch, the face is actually dark blue. So it may look black on camera, but it's actually dark blue. See, the bezel doesn't have any crystal or diamonds. It just has numbers, and it says units per hour. So I like watches, but like I don't know too much about them. So, but this watch has 3 crowns as well on the side. Super cute. Screams that girl without being too flashy. Next, let's go to the two-tone watches. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Vince Camuto, but this is the watch, and it's actually silver and rose gold. I've never seen jewelry that was mixed with silver and rose gold, so that's the one thing I love about this watch. So it does have crystals around the bezel. It has 1 crown. It has 3 clocks inside, and y'all see the Roman numerals. And here's the watch on my hand, and on the back it says Vince Camuto right here. So super cute. Like I said, I love that it's rose gold. I don't know if I could tell on camera. It may just look gold to y'all, but in person it's rose gold. The Roman numerals are rose gold as well. So it looked like these are diamonds around a clock inside. I think these are crystals. I could be wrong. I don't know. Don't quote me on it. Oh, and since I still have the box, I can show you how much this costs. This watch was $250, and I got this at Dillard's. So if you're at Dillard's, stop by Vince Camuto. All right, guys. So my last watch in this video is going to be my two-tone Rolex. Girl, this watch is silver and gold, and same thing. Bezel doesn't have nothing, and as y'all seen on the other Rolex, it had 3 crowns. This one only has 1. Y'all see on the back, it has this little crown as well. Don't mind my nails, but it has a crown as well on the back. In the face of this watch, you see there's no numbers. It's just diamonds on where the number's supposed to be. Girl, that's a detail. That is super cute. This one is diamonds. I don't know how many carats, y'all. Like, don't come for me. This watch is like more than 5 years old. This was my grandpa's watch, and when he passed, my dad gave it to me. This watch is special as well. And you know what's funny, y'all? This is my grandpa's watch, and this is my grandma's watch. So they were married. Duh. But yeah, there's both of their watches, so I always feel like they're close to me. Like, and that's really why this watch is special. Don't get me wrong, it's beautiful. It's a Rolex, like, come on now. But the fact that this was my grandpa's, it just makes it even more special. Like, I barely even wear this watch because it's so special to me. So, and my grandpa died when I was 5 years old, so it was like a little bit after Katrina. Y'all know I'm from New Orleans, so yeah, it was a little bit after Katrina when he died. So I still remember him. Like, I remember a lot of our memories, but I don't have anything of him to remember him of. This is the only thing I have to like remember him of. My grandma, I got everything of hers. I got her watches, I got her old perfume, like everything. So, but with my grandpa, this is the only thing I have of his. So but that is it for my watch collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's any watches y'all really like, let me know in the comment section. Like, Let me know which watch was your favorite out of all the watches I showed. And did y'all see my new banner I got on my channel? Go look at my banner, y'all. Let's give a round of applause for the banner because y'all, banner looks great. Like, my banner has never looked that good on YouTube. So go check out my new banner before y'all go, and make sure you subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on my social medias. I'll leave all that in the description box below. So that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and let's have a happy holiday. My birthday's in 7 days. Let's enjoy the holidays. Let's enjoy SAG season. Okay, it's our season, the best season. Subscribe if you a SAG. If you don't, you ain't gang. You ain't gang for real. But that is it for my video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all later. Mwah.